We're going to step on over here and we're going to make this beautiful Italian soup. Now I'm going to start by adding a couple of tablespoons of olive oil, maybe 2 or 3. And I've diced up 4 boneless, skinless chicken breasts. So we're going to let those cook for maybe 5 or 10 minutes, but it's not going to take long. All right, so we're going to come down here, and while our chicken's cooking, I'm going to just slice up some zucchini. The zucchini just adds a wonderful flavor to this soup and also adds a beautiful color. So I'm just going to cut that zucchini down the center, and I'll wind up with like half-moon sizes in my slices, just like that. So that takes care of our zucchini. Now I'm going to toss in my onions, my carrots, and our zucchini. So it really is a nutritious pot of soup. Okay, now how easy is that? Now I'm going to add 2 cans of diced tomatoes, and these tomatoes have been seasoned with basil, oregano, and garlic, which is going to add a nice flavor to our pot of soup. Okay, so in that goes. And now I'm going to add 3½ cups of chicken broth. Ooh, yum. So we're just going to let this simmer for about 30 minutes. Now, all I'm going to do at this point is just salt it. Then give it a little pepper. And it's all ready to eat. And this is one of those soups, y'all, that you throw in your fridge, and like on the 2nd or 3rd day, oh my gracious, the flavors are just getting more intense as time goes by. And I think I'm going to put a little grated Parmesan on this. Oh, and with some corn muffins or some garlic French bread. Be so good with it. It's really good. I really think you're going to like this one. Hey, y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this blast from the past, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button, as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.